Mmm.
So, Mimi, what are you feeding my son right now?
A fig.
A fig.
Fresh fig. You can't even get them in the store because they just spoil so quickly. That's why you can't get them fresh.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, indeed.
Look.
The boy loves it. He's got too much dirt and filth on his hands, so I won't let him have it. Mmm. Look at that delicious treat.
It looks like a monkey brain.
It looks like raw meat.
There. Mmm. Yummy. Oh, his hands are just disgustingly dirty.
Mmm.
Oh my goodness.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy
Is it
fig.
Yes, indeedy. Now, Mommy